Equality 4. This is connected to chapter 49 Al-Hujurat, verse 13 of the Holy Quran.
Indeed, the most noble of you in the sight of Allah is the most righteous of you.
Piety is achieved when one strives to fulfill the commands of Allah, the Exalted, refrain from His prohibitions and faces destiny with patience. Unfortunately, the devil has tricked many women into debating the status of women compared to men. Even though Islam has granted women such honor as no other institution or faith ever has, such as placing paradise, which is the ultimate bliss, beneath the feet of a woman, namely one's mother. This is confirmed in a narration found in Sunan and Nasai, number 3106. In a narration found in Jami' at-Tirmizi, number 3895, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, advised that the best man is the one who treats his wife the best. There are countless other examples. But the point to note is that women should not be bothered about comparing themselves to men, as this is not what Allah, the Exalted, desires. Instead, women should strive to adopt piety, and if they achieve it, then they will become superior to every man or woman who possesses less piety than them. This is the benchmark which separates who is superior to whom. And it is clear from this verse that it is not based on one's gender. If one turns the pages of history, they will observe great female Muslims who concentrated on this important task, instead of arguing and debating about the differences between men and women, and as a result, they became better than the vast majority of men and women. In reality, if Muslim women were granted all the rights they dreamed of, even then it would not make them superior to others until they adopted piety. This is quite evident when one observes the media and those who behave as they please. And this fact will be made crystal clear in the next world. Therefore, if a Muslim desires to be superior to others, they should seek it in piety, not in arguing and debates.